Hello friends, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for tuning into this channel. A very important NIST risk management framework will be discussed in this video. We will understand what are the important steps, what is categorize, what is select, what is implement, what is assess, what is authorized, what is monitor, and what is prepare. So, if you want to understand the NIST risk management framework from the beginning to the end properly, and you have not studied it for any time, and you want to have a complete understanding, please watch this video very carefully. So, what is NIST risk management framework? It's a very important risk management framework. If you want to implement risk management within your organization and you want to have a frame of reference, so it is very important if you want to implement proper risk management in your organization. So, it has many steps into it. So, let us understand what are the main steps in the risk management framework. The document itself is very long, so I have only created these small slides so that it can help you understand the entire essence of the document and NIST risk management framework. So the first thing is prepare. You have to make sure that all the essential activities within your organization are prepared in order to manage your security risks and privacy risks which you have. So what all fall under prepares is categorize, select, implement, assess, authorize, and monitor. So all these steps fall under prepare. So all these are activities that you have to prepare. So what is categorize? For categorize, you have to understand that you categorize all the system and information that is there in your organization based upon your business impact analysis. Okay, you have to perform business impact analysis here, and basis upon that, you have to categorize what are the important critical systems and accordingly select the controls from the NIST framework in order to protect them. So after that, you have implement, then you implement the controls and you make sure that they're deployed properly. Then you assess the effectiveness of the controls, whether the controls are running as per your expectations or not. If yes, then you make sure that you authorize the controls to make the best possible use of the controls, and then of course you keep on monitoring them, and along with you keep on monitoring to the risks as well after implementation of the controls to make sure that there are no further risks. So this is a iterative approach that you follow so that you can make sure that the NIST risk management framework works properly. So again here, somehow in depth, I have again emphasized on the same thing. Categorize is categorizing the system and information which is processed, stores, and transmitted based upon your business impact analysis. Then you select the set of NIST controls to protect the system based on your risk assessment. Okay, so you have to perform risk assessment, implement the controls, and document how controls are deployed in the implement stage. Then after that, you assess to determine if the controls are in place, operating as intended, and producing the desired results or not. Okay, then some official member in your team should make a risk based decision to authorize so that it can operate effectively. Then you keep on monitoring, continuously monitoring and implementing so that the risks are contained. Then prepare again is all these set of activities, essential activities which are there in order to make sure that you manage your organization security and privacy risks. So hope this gives you a brief understanding of the NIST risk management framework. It is very important if you try to understand these stages, because somebody can ask you in the interview as well what are the different stages. So some people forget the prepare stage. Okay, so make sure that you understand what is the essence of the prepare stage, what is the essence of the identify stage, so where you identify and categorize all your organization systems. You categorize all your information systems. You make sure that you actually understand how the systems are interconnected with each other. Okay, then you do that, and after that you select the controls as per the specifications for your confidentiality, integrity, and availability to make sure that your critical infrastructure remains safeguarded. then you implement those controls to make sure that you actually have all the policies and procedures in place and align with your cybersecurity framework initiatives. Then you assess them based upon your security and privacy benchmarking that you have in your organization to determine if controls are being implemented correctly and producing the desired outcomes or not. Then you authorize, you accept the controls, and you see if there are any other efforts which are needed in that phase. Then you monitor is simple. You continuously automate your monitoring and maintain your security posture to stay in compliance, and of course to adjust to the new risks if there are any new risks which are integrated. So I hope this video gives you some sort of understanding on the risk management framework. Of course, these steps will be clear more if you try to focus on a case study where you actually want to implement these controls one by one in the risk management framework stages. So that will be really helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you.